You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Roman literature. If you want to learn more confusing names from ancient Rome, Latin, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations. The victorious woman, either Boudica, especially the bottom spelling is normally pronounced Boudica, sometimes spelled with two C's, Boudica. Now, the top spelling is the more Latin ancient spelling. Boadicea is how it's usually pronounced. Boadicea, some pronounce it Boudica as well, both spellings. How do you say it yourself, Boudica or Boadicea? I believe those two pronunciations are indeed correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.